Dakota Barnes, 11th grade.
My name is Ryan Walker, and I'm in 10th grade.
I'm Colton McEntyre, I'm a senior, planning on it. This gave me the opportunity to go ahead and get certified and get ready for a future career in it.
Yeah, as always, because I plan on making a living out of it.
It's I think it's just a really good thing. Good trade to learn. I've liked it ever since I did it.
I had a mix between wanting to be a diesel mechanic and a pipeline welder.
Probably pipe welding or underwater welding. Not make my mind up yet exactly.
Pipeline, I want to work on big old pipes, like welding them together. Monty's a really good instructor, so he taught me basically everything I know.
We went to Clay County at first to compete, and then we went to Bell County to get placed, and now I'll be going to Louisville for state.
We went to Bell County for regional, but we have a chance to go to state.
Kind of heated because usually there's not a lot of people, and then we get up there and there's a lot of good and talented people with very different out of the box ideas.
It was nerve-wracking with all those people there.
It was nerve-wracking, kind of, because there was more people competing than last year, but I figured I'd do a good job, so it was easy. Just anything doing with MIG welding mainly, any kind of job I can find that pays good money.